Hi guys, I'm Aditya. I work for RSA Actual Services India Private Limited. That's an general insurance company out of London. And so I'm a qualified actuary there, managing a team of a lot of actual young, vibrant trainees there. I think one of the reasons I'm talking here, standing here, is just to let you know whether I enjoy my work or not. And I can tell you something, every day I enjoy my work. I get up and there's not even a single day I feel that I don't want to go to my job. Simple reason, because it brings a lot of challenges, especially working in a general insurance where you have the total world map in front of you. And that is one thing which keeps me in my job. How do I started my career in a general insurance as an actuary is back in college days, we all wanted to become a doctor, engineers, IAS officer, probably an MBA in the second year of the college. So I also tried everything, to be honest. But then I realized that, okay, what's my strength? My strength is into the numbers. Maths was one thing which I was good at. So what I decided is, okay, find a career which is challenging enough, where I don't have to score 99.95 percentile to get into an interview, and then probably struggle for 2 years and then struggle for a job, something. So I didn't choose something which is simple. Being in this profession is one of the most difficult thing to be in. It requires a lot of commitment, motivation, and a lot of numerical ability as well as the market understanding. But once you do it, while you are in it, I think you will enjoy it, because in India right now, I think there are only 250 qualified actuaries. There's not a demand of probably 2 lakh actuaries. It's a very small profession, very niche market to work in. And so there's a demand supply rule. While it is rewarding financially and in terms of lifestyle as well, I'm not saying you earn more money than an investment banker will earn sitting in London doing merger and acquisitions, but you will earn a handsome amount of money, which will be a big attraction to work. You will have a good life, and one thing, the money doesn't come easy. It's never easy, so you have to work really hard to be an actuary.